Jeremy here with FASS Fuel Systems. I wanted to take just a few minutes and share with you some of the amazing improvements that we've made within our customer service department. So as of the last year, we've focused on improving customer experience with our team here in customer service. We've done that by better leveraging our ERP system so that we can track and record notes whenever we're doing troubleshooting or helping a customer with an issue or trying to resolve a problem that they're having with their system. We're taking notes, we're keeping them within our ERP in the form of cases, and we're even sharing that email with you so that you have a record of what we discussed as well. That will help so that moving forward, if there are any follow-up calls, you're able to pick up where you left off and not have to start over. We've also hired an additional 4 personnel and added to our team to give us better coverage. As you may know, customer service team answers our phones, our chats, and our emails Monday through Friday, 7 to 7 Central Time. We've also added additional staff so that we can better support you guys and make sure that when you call in or you utilize our new chat function, we're able to respond to you in a timely manner. We've invested heavily not only in our personnel, but also into our software and even our phone system. You may notice if you call in, if one of our team members are not able to take your call, you're actually offered the opportunity to be called back in the order that your call was received. A little bit more along that same focus, we're also looking at how we're doing and even offering a 1-question survey at the end of the call so that we know how we can get better.